Introducing an exquisite luxury penthouse in Antalya, perched elegantly overlooking the Bogacay River. This high-specification home is designed for those seeking the pinnacle of a luxurious lifestyle, offering both exceptional living and investment opportunities in a prime, family-friendly location. Features of this elite residence include a private sauna and state-of-the-art smart home system, ensuring unmatched comfort and convenience. The property is part of a prestigious complex developed by one of Antalya's leading construction firms, renowned for using premium, locally sourced materials. Residents enjoy access to extensive communal facilities, expansive gardens, walking paths, a large central swimming pool, a modern gym, a relaxing sauna and spa, underground parking, and 24-hour security. This duplex penthouse spans 270 square meters over 2 floors, encapsulating 4 spacious bedrooms and 4 bathrooms. It boasts a fully equipped modern kitchen and a grand living room featuring a central fireplace, ideal for family gatherings. Floor-to-ceiling windows usher in natural light and offer breathtaking views of the surrounding nature. Situated in the sought-after Konyaaltı district, the penthouse benefits from proximity to essential services and promises an excellent return on investment due to its location near the burgeoning Bogacay River Marina project.